All right, we're looking at a printed X and we're going to look at a cursive X. You'll see that they look similar. What's unusual about the letter X is that we're going to have a stroke starting from the right and going to the left. Let's look together. Starting at the green dot, my blue stroke is coming up to the dotted line and back down to the red line, and it looks like a hill. And then I start from the right side, right above where I left on the blue line. And I'm swooping down to the left, back down to the baseline. Let's do a few together. Increasingly making them difficult by making them smaller. And let's write a word. Let's write fox. F-O-X. Sometimes people who are new to cursive say that a printed Z looks nothing like a cursive C, but watch my yellow line go over the gray one and you can see the shape of a Z there. You can also see me write a cursive one here. You can see that nice swoop. It's got a Z shape and feel to it. Now starting at the green line, my line goes up, touches the dotted line and down to the red line. I'm going to slightly retrace, making a smaller hill, going through the red line and making it a descender, going way down, looping around and back up. Let's make a few together. You can play this video again as many times as you need to. I want you to pay close attention to the fact that the second hill does not touch the dotted line. And then let's make a word. Let's do the word zoo. You'll notice as you learn more and more about cursive that people have their own style. And so you'll see this other word zoo, you can see that the O's are a little bit fancier.